Hey guys, welcome back to Creativity Foods. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it's gonna be a little different, and as you have seen from the title, I'm gonna be giving you guys a furnished kitchen tour. Now, a lot of you might have seen my video, my empty tour and my furnished apartment tour on Instagram. I posted a couple months ago. For me, this kitchen was everything. When I was like looking around and stuff, what I told my leasing agent was, listen, I don't care about anything else, just the kitchen has to be how I want it, and I cannot have carpet. Those are the only two things I told her, and she delivered, because my kitchen is everything that I've ever wanted, and I just love it. So I wanted to film this video, share this video with you guys on my kitchen. I might put in clips from the empty tour in this video. But there's not much I didn't show you guys, like the cupboard space or the pantry or anything like that, so it's gonna be relatively short. So I wanted to do an extended video where I show you guys everything furnished and how I organized everything, and tell you guys a little bit of where I got everything, if I can remember. But I'm super excited. So if you guys are excited like I am, as you can already tell, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Welcome to my kitchen. So as you walk in to the apartment, the kitchen is right here, open, and you guys can see the island. It's so big and beautiful. I have my bar stools right here. I went with blue because it matches the carpet in the living area, which if you guys saw the furnished tour on Instagram, you guys will see that it complements each other. So don't be like, oh, your kitchen is red but your bar stool is blue. No, it's a logic behind it all. Everything complements each other. Everything was well thought out, planned way ahead. But yes, so the bar stool matches the carpet that it's on the other side. Alright, so moving on, I'm going to actually show you guys my laundry room, because A, I'm proud of it because I organized the hell out of it, and two, because it's joined to my kitchen, so I might as well just show you guys. So yeah, so the first room I'm gonna show you guys is my laundry room. So as you walk in, there's a sign right here that says, be the best version of yourself always, period. My laundry room is right here. As you can see, I have a mat for my laundry room. It says laundry, wash, dry, fold, press, same day service. Yeah, and yeah, period. Are you guys ready? I don't think you guys are ready. Are you guys ready? Okay. Ta-da! This is my laundry room, guys. Like, it's so simple but so cute to me and so organized. I love it. It's nothing crazy to it. It's just everything in here is organized and labeled. Like, yeah, I love it. So as you can see, I have my fabric softener, my detergent. I use powder detergent, vinegar. If you don't wash your clothes with vinegar. Listen, TikTok changes lives, okay? I saw this hack on TikTok and I literally use vinegar for everything. Wash, cook, clean. Yeah, it really is a lifesaver. So vinegar, I have the scent boosted beads, purple of course. I have bleach and dryer sheets, and then my dirty basket. And this is the washer, you know, regular washer, and the dryer. Well, you guys can't see it because, yeah. So this is my laundry room. So that's that. And now for I call it my little pride and joy. Behind this door is my pride and joy. I took my time. I was so excited for this little project when I found out that my apartment had a pantry. I was like going on Pinterest, getting ideas, but I already knew how I wanted my pantry to look and like how I wanted to be organized and everything. And it didn't matter to me whatever space I was given, I was gonna work with it and I was gonna make it how I envisioned it. Because when I tell you guys this pantry, somebody came in, one of my friends came over and asked me if this is like a staged like apartment because like everything is so organized. But you guys are gonna love my pantry. I love my pantry so much. Okay, if you guys are ready, this is my my pantry. My pantry, guys. Let me give you guys a better look. So it starts from there and it goes all the way down to the floor. So this is my pantry. Up I have my rice, I have flour, I have red kidney beans, white quinoa, you know, you name it, it's there. Everything is labeled, organized. Down here is the pasta shelf. Yes, and then down here you can see baking soda, brown sugar, white sugar, flaxseed, curry powder, baking powder, cornstarch, pink salt, everything. It's a tray, but it spins. It has all my little, my browning, scotch bonnet pepper. So everything is fully accessible. My jerk seasoning, everything, vinegar, apple cider vinegar, everything. And then down here, you know, I have, everything is organized. And then I have down here, I have another one down here which also spins, and I have my onions in here and garlic, all that stuff in this little basket. Yes, so this right here is my canned goods. So I have all my canned goods in this little tray here. I bought it because I had a lot of canned stuff like all over the pantry, and I was like, okay, I need to find a better way to organize this. So I got this. I have all my ackee, callaloo, beans, peas, mackerel, everything here. I can just easily open and grab enough. I search through the pantry if I find anything, it's right here, easy accessible. Oh, I didn't show you guys my cookie jar. How could I? My cookie jar. Yes, I did Khloe Kardashian style organize my cookie jar. I don't know, it looks very like chic, cute, you know. So cookie jar. And moving on to the fridge. 2 doors, right? And then the deep freeze is separate. The freezer part is separate. So let me show you guys my fridge. Ta-da! So this is my fridge, and I know what you guys are gonna think. Girl, where's the food? Actually emptied my fridge, like clean out everything for this video, so I'm gonna go grocery shopping after this and stack it up. But I am all stacked on juice. I have water, my coconut water, which I use for my smoothies. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I don't use regular water, like just plain water in my smoothies. I use coconut water, Capri Sun. So the Capri Sun, the Ocean Spray, the Welch's that you see, all the juice that you see, I mostly bring them to work with me. So that's why I get like the little small packs, because I could just, you know, I don't have to bring like a big container or whatever. And my eggs, white and brown eggs, don't ask me why. Mostly for baking. And these jars right here for baking as well. And you might be seeing this big bucket right here and like, Tashana, why do you need such a big bucket of pigtail? So that's a story within itself. I was searching around for pigtail, and you know, being new to the area, I couldn't find, just like at the time, I couldn't find nowhere to go to find, like, you know, like small, like a small pack of like pigtail, or like anywhere where you can go, like, you know, in New York where they have, you could just go to the supermarket and pick out the pigtail out of the bucket, and you know how much pigtail I get. I couldn't find anywhere like that. So I searched around and I found this Caribbean market, and this like cute little store that had like Jamaican stuff or whatever, and they only had the big bucket. And if you know me, I love pigtails, so I was like, I can't lose, you know, I'm gonna use it anyways. I love pigtails, so I ended up buying the big bucket, and it worked out well, because it was on the shelf, and then them said once you open it, you have to put it in the fridge, and once it's in the fridge, it should be good, you know, because it's still cured, it's still in the salt water. So that's why there's a big bucket of pigtail in my fridge. Please don't judge me. Leftovers here. In here I keep all my fruits, my oranges, apples. Sometimes I have strawberries, grapes, all that stuff in here. Them juice here my carry go work. And in here I have all my scallion thyme, cut onion, all of my plant-based seasonings I keep in here. Cabbage, everything, keep it in here. And in the door I have my water jug, you know, all your little whatever fridge have, butter up here, so yeah, cheese, yeah, you know, yeah. And over here, same thing, you know, all my little accoutrements. And then down here, I know, okay, so I bought these jugs to pour juice in them, and I thought they were so cute. So yes, if you haven't realized, I'm that person that buys containers so I buy containers to pour stuff into that's already in containers. So I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, I'm that type of person, because I'm like, oh, if it's with aesthetic, like, oh, it's cute, oh yeah. So that's why I have these cute little jugs. They're so cute in here. So that's everything for the fridge. Let me show you the deep freeze. So this is my deep freeze. I have an ice maker, guys. An ice maker. You know me, you know I love ice. So when my leasing agent told me about this, when my leasing agent told me about the ice maker, I was like, yes, like perfect, 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 perfect. So I have my ice maker, all my little stuff on the top here. Guys, this is the best one, the best Ben & Jerry's, this one right here. So So I have all my stuff here, you know, it's summertime. Yeah, keep it hydrated and stuff. My sister actually left these here. This here, and these here. But you know, they're gonna stay there until she come back. So down here, you know, I keep all my meat. When I season them and put them back in Ziploc bags, I keep everything down here. My frozen fruits, like I said, I do smoothies. You know, I usually freeze my bacon if I'm not gonna use it for during like the first week that I buy it. And you know, I have like frozen ginger, you know, all that stuff. So that's my freezer. I just switched over to the handheld tripod because the other stand tripod wasn't working out too well. So I'm gonna show you guys my oh, I didn't show you guys the top. Okay, so up here is like my little snack box. Here I have more water up here for, you know, can't put all of them, well, I'm not gonna put all of them in the fridge. My snack box, you know, cereal and chips and everything is up there. So that's what that space is for. Then now over here I have all my Tupperwares. Mostly use these for my lunch, like to pack my lunch and stuff. So as you can see, some of them are in the fridge and these are the rest of them. So this cupboard right here is just for Tupperware, just for glass, and they're all glass, no plastic over here. Over here I have all my If you guys remember the last video a couple weeks ago that I posted where I organized that drawer right there, that was one of my junk drawers as well, but this one is another junk drawer, and I need to figure out how to organize this way better. And like my cooking gloves and stuff, so embarrassing, guys. Anyways, it's probably the only thing in here that's not organized. And my stove, love. And I also have a video showing you guys how I clean this, because a lot of people don't know how to clean glass stove tops. I have a video about that. My oven, kettle, my microwave. And then up here, no. Okay, in here I have all my different oils that I use. And then over here, this is my chalk side of the cupboard. Everything chalk is in here. There's my plates. That's simple, you know. And my countertop. And this is where I keep the rest of my utensils, cooking utensils, but only the bamboo ones, only the, yeah, the wood ones, only the wood ones, guys. And my blender, of course, red. And this is my spice drawer. Dun, 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 dun. So as you guys can see, everything is labeled and organized, and I had to use 2 different labels, so you know I had to separate them. And the ones that I had to write in, they're all with each other. It's a system, guys. And these are all the seasonings that people like sent me. I also have some in the pantry that didn't have like space. Yes guys, this is my spice drawer right here. And down here, all my pots right down here. And this is the drawer that you guys saw in the previous video on my YouTube channel, where I decluttered, organized everything. And down here, just appliances, my mitts, you know, the whole 9 yards. You guys get the vibes. And then up here, oh, over here, oh, I skipped some steps. Okay, over here, all my bottles and, you know, metal stuff. Over on this side of the cupboard. And over here is all of my puppy stuff. I have my teas up here, and then all my like vitamins and stuff that I use when I work out up there. So this is basically his side of the cupboard. And over here, this is where I keep everything glass. Everything glass is on this. So ta-da! All my shot glasses from everywhere that I've traveled. Shirt is right here. Right here. Candle is always lit. My bar stools. The bar stools, they match the rug on this side, so everything goes together. And okay guys, that is it. This video took me so long to film because I wanted everything to be perfect, and I didn't want to do this video rushing, like coming home to rush and trying to work with the lights outside and all of that stuff. So it was just a perfect day to film this video. I really hope you guys appreciate the content that's being dropped. If you guys have any ideas or suggestion of any type of video that you guys would like to see, let me know down in the comment section. Yeah, so that is it for today's video. That wraps up my kitchen tour. I hope you guys like what I've done with this space. I love it in here. It's my little heaven. I would say my favorite part, actually comment down below and let me know what your favorite part of the kitchen is. Whether it's the pantry, the cupboard space, the, you know, the fridge, the island, whatever. I think you guys can already tell what area of the kitchen is my favorite. The pantry. So, but comment down below and let me know what you guys, what's your favorite? Do you like the aesthetic? What would you change? How would you, you know, just let's have a whole conversation down there. But that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and continue to support. I appreciate it, guys, and thank you guys so much. I'm so excited. I love my space, guys, if you can't already tell, and it's just been a dream. It's been a long journey to get here. Yes. So I'm very excited, very happy, as you guys can see. It's just, I'm just, you know, just blessed and very appreciative of everything that it took to get me to this point. So this is where the magic happens, and with that being said, I am going to get on out of here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Forgot. So I know I mentioned that I would tell you guys where I got everything from, but I actually have an Amazon link that is down in the description box where you can click the link and see everything that I have in my kitchen as far as what I bought from Amazon. So all the organizational stuff, knife sets, everything, it's in that Amazon link. So go in the description box and click the link, and if you have any questions you can always go over to my Instagram and DM me and I can tell you, because the pantry ones I got from Amazon, the ones in here I got from Walmart because I couldn't wait for the delivery and all of that. So click the link in the description box and you can see where I got everything from and the direct link to everything that I have in my kitchen. So again guys, don't forget to comment down below, like it, share it with everybody, you know, if you get inspiration, ideas on how to organize, you know, share it with your friends. Let me know what you think. If you need help, oh, this is another thing too, if you need help organizing and decluttering your kitchen, DM me on Instagram. I got you. Like, I am helping 3 people right now declutter and organize their different spaces in their house. It don't have to be a kitchen. I got you. So help is out there guys, and offer my support and help wherever I can. So again guys, Instagram is @creativity, that is CR.EAT.IVITY, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.